distinguished chief guests, dignitaries, and the young graduates of today's event. It's indeed a great moment for us to conduct the graduation day ceremony amidst the prevailing situation. I welcome you all for this event, and at the same time I congratulate the graduates of today's event. Coming to the award winners for the year, the gold medal goes to Dr. Obu Kavita. The silver medal goes to Dr. Sujitra. The bronze medal is being shared by Dr. Malavika and Dr. Krishnamurthy Babanita.
Dr. Abbas B. Dr. Abhirami V. Dr. Abhishri A. Dr. Adavan C. M. Dr. Akila T. K. Dr. Akila Devi K. Dr. Amit Korean Joy. Dr. Ammu Matthew. Dr. Anandi R. Dr. Anjusha Divakar. Dr. Arvind M. Dr. Arul Kumaravel K. Dr. Arvind D. Dr. Ashok Kumar V. Dr. Asifa Ruman C. M. Dr. Balashakti R. Dr. Bhagya Sandoshini NPN. Dr. Bharat Gopal. Dr. Bhuvaneshwari G. Dr. Devaki R. Dr. Divya Bharati P. Dr. Dinesh Raja S.J. Dr. Gokula Krishnan M. Dr. Guruswati R. Dr. Hamsa M. Dr. Imayan M. Dr. Imtiaz Ahmad S. Dr. Jerry Bastin C. Dr. Jolsna K. Anthony. Dr. Karthik S. Dr. Kavya Darshini P. Dr. Kavya Prabha J. Dr. Kirtana Rao M. Dr. Kirtika R. Dr. Kishore STR. Dr. Kishore Kumar P. Dr. Kaushik S. Dr. Krishna Prakati P. Dr. Krishnamurthy Bhavanita. Dr. Lakshmanan S. Dr. Madhuri A. Dr. Malavika KG. Dr. Mali Shruti A. Dr. Meera B. Dr. Mrinalini S. Dr. Mogana Priyanka P. Dr. Monica M. Dr. Naveen B. Dr. Niveta S. Dr. Niveta M. Dr. Opukavita D. Dr. Padma Priya R.S. Dr. Parthiban T. Dr. Pradeep P. Dr. Preeti M. Dr. Prem Kumar M. Dr. Ram Vignesh R. Dr. Rishant R. Dr. Samyukta B. Dr. Sandhya Lakshmi R.
Dr. Sanjita K. Dr. Satish V. Dr. Sita E. Dr. Shahina T. Dr. Shantaruban J. Dr. Shiba Rani R. Dr. Saumya A. Dr. Subiksha M. Dr. Suhitra Shri M. Dr. Sujitra N. Dr. Shayad Ibrahim A. Dr. Varuna Shivani S. Dr. Vasant Kumar P. Dr. Vigneshwaran S. Dr. Vijay Kannan M. Dr. Yogapriya P.S. Dr. Romario Prasant S. Dr. Sharat Kumar. Dr. Balaji Raja K.C. Dr. Danya Babu. Dr. Jones J. Dr. Naveen Kumar. Dr. Pratap Mehta S. Dr. Ram Kumar R. Dr. Rajarajan S. Dr. Rashik Mohammed G. Dr. Sendil Nathan M. Dr. Sridhar T. Dr. Alphonse Tanga Pradeep X. Dr. Aruna Priyanka S. Dr. Nandini CP. Dr. Sahana J. Dr. Vanmati P. Dr. Vishnu Prasad PS. Dr. Zeenat Amirunisa M. Dr. Abdul Jabbar A. Dr. Hari Prasad Singh PB. Dr. Indumadi SA. Dr. Loga Pradeep S. Dr. Nandini K. Dr. Pratap Veeran R. Dr. Shanmuga Priya. Dr. Sri Vidya R. Dr. Surya T. Dr. Pradeep Daniel Janios R. Dr. Balaji B.
I am really happy for this award. I want to thank my staffs who guided me from first year to internship, and special thanks to my parents and friends. Thank you.
Greetings to one and all present here. This is not only a very happy day for me, but this is also a day where I would like to tell my gratitude to few people. So in that list, first I start with those people who were my backbone and basement for my success. It's none other than my parents. Thank you Amma and Acha for making me a girl who I am. And I would like to thank my teacher. Thank you for organizing such an event and giving us an opportunity, even though in this pandemic situation you tried to bring us all together. So I would like to thank, and I would like to thank God for making me a Vinayagan. So I am a successful Vinayagan, and
Welcome everyone. First and foremost, I would like to thank God for His never-ending grace, mercy and provision during what ended up being one of the toughest part of my life. I am very glad to deliver my speech on such an important and momentous occasion in my life. It is a huge honor for me to receive this award. Being a student of Vinayaka Mission Sankaracharya Dental College, a special thanks for my parents, grandparents and all my staff members for believing me and guided me to achieve this award. I am very deeply honored by my superiors for this recognition for my hard work. Last and finally, I would like to thank everyone for providing a precious moment of my life. Thank you.
In response to those who told me, stop dreaming and face reality, I proved them, keep dreaming and make reality. To a girl aspiring to become a doctor from outskirts of a small village, what could be more beautiful than this? I am glad to take this opportunity to express my gratitude to college and management for organizing this event even at this situation, without whom my dream just a dream. With my due respect and love, thank you all. I would like to thank my friends who has been there for me every time, who made this journey more beautiful, who made me feel home away from home. And I love you all and I'm already missing you. Chiefly, I would like to dedicate this success to someone who thought my dream as of their own, who had been there for me emotionally, physically, morally, financially, psychologically, and everything else. Yeah, it's none other than my family. Thank you is just a word comparing to everything they did to me. It's my mom, dad, grandma, and sister as well. Thank you, Dad, for believing in me. Today I am Dr. Suchitra Nagamanikam. Thank you all. Have a great day.